Good morning. Thought we'd come out for a morning's train spotting at Brocklesby Junction in Lincolnshire. It is a very, very misty morning. It's quite cool also, which to me is a blessing. I'm not a fan of the heat. I really am not. So this for me is bliss. Yeah, lovely. Well, hopefully we'll get a few freight trains through, a few Class 66s. And here comes a car. He's going to race past me, just in case he drowns me out. Let's give him a minute. You can look at my beautiful face. There he goes, or she, you never know. But yeah, hopefully we'll get a few trains through, and I'm filming today on the new CAMCORDER. Well, it's new to me, it's not brand new. I thought I'd try one out, and because of well, what I wanted to do was try and get zoomed right in while the trains are coming down the tracks, and then zoom out again so we can see, you know, the bigger picture. But there's another car. Because we're right next to the road here, look. Just give me a second. You watch him stop. Ooh, Audi like mine. Yeah, so zoom right in, see what the train, maybe the driver or the numbers are, and zoom out so we can look at the bigger picture. But yeah, catch you in a bit. Hopefully you will enjoy. Okay, so here we have a train coming. This is why I wanted to use the CAMCORDER with the zoom feature. I don't even know if you guys can see it just yet. I can see it. But that is a good, what, at least half a mile away. Now watch this on the zoom. Look at that. Now already I can tell that I'm going to need an upgrade. Because there's no stabilisation on this, and it's so difficult without a tripod to hold it steady. But I didn't want the tripod because I want to be flexible and get about and move about, run across the road, etc, etc. So yeah, here was our first train. Okay, here comes another train. Let's get right in. Oh, it's a freighter. Yes. Freight train, beautiful. There we go. Tell you what, I'm just gonna attempt to move to the side just a little bit. You see what I mean about the lack of stability? Oh god, we're all over the place now. Yeah. I mean, he is still absolutely meters and meters away. You watch this if I zoom right back out again. The zoom on that, the zoom feature is amazing. I wonder if he'll go left on that bit. Go on, down them points and I'll get a... Oh, brilliant. Brilliant. Yay! Oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I'm going to stay here on this side of the road because I don't want to get run over. Oh no, I'm not, because I can't even see it. Right, let's go quickly and see how far we can follow him with this zoom feature. This is fantastic, but like I say, I'm going to need... I don't want to get a tripod out. I want to... Look how far away he is, look, and you can zoom right in. I want to stay sort of free as a bird. Look at that. Look at that. That is quite a distance away, look. If I come back right out, look. Brocklesby Junction, look, in Lincolnshire, and I could still get back right on him, look. If it wasn't foggy, we'd be able to see him a lot better. That is fantastic. That is absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. I am impressed. Well impressed. Use the toe, mate. Yes. Oh yes. Got him. Here we have the zoom feature in action again. I mean, you can't even see that train, can you, yet? Yeah, if I zoom right in, look, I know it's misty, so still got some zoom left. I can already see that I'm going to need an upgrade, like I said before, because of the shakiness. There's no stabilisation. Oh, we just got a little tone there, look. Good on him. There was a couple of cars coming, but I was trying to run across the road and film this one going away from me too. But that is quite a distance, believe me. That is a very, very long way away. You watch this when I pull out, matron. And that is quite a distance. I'm impressed. Oh, so just a, is it a single or not? Oh no, there's two, isn't there? Wait for this car to pass. So here comes the 1124 from Liverpool Lime Street rolling into Cleethorpes. Where, I hear you ask? Well, exploiting the zoom feature of this camcorder again, it is there. The zoom feature is fabulous. I can at this stage definitely say I need an upgrade for image quality and image stabilisation. Definitely, without a shadow of a doubt. The slightest little movement when you're on Right, this will be my last train, I think, because it is, where's it gone? It's absolutely freezing cold, and it's not good now. It's actually quite miserable, or as the French would say, misérable. Just in case we've got any French speaking audience or French audience. What should I say? Avez-vous en personne le verbe? Parlez-vous français, s'il vous plaît? Ooh, it's cold, it's cold. Right, this freight train is arriving. Le train de marchandises arrive. Any tones? Yay! That was a good one to end on. Right, I'm going to have to chase after this guy on the road. Made it. Right, let's watch him disappear into the distance, because this is the last one of today. It's freezing. As I say, the mist is lifting and then coming back, but we've had sporadic rainfall And with the cold air, oh wow, it is not great. It's not great. However, today was just to test the camcorder. It's a definite winner, but like I said, I can see I already need an upgrade. Excuse the traffic. Image degradation and definitely image stabilization. But that, for a zoom, is fabulous. That is fantastic. You watch when I pull away. I'll let him go, but here we go, look, you ready? I mean, that's huge, isn't it? Well, I hope you've enjoyed it. Catch you soon. Au revoir.